also got help for myself with the limousine company. So somebody else was answering my phone. Because the phones can be ringing all day, right? So somebody else is taking the calls, right, to book the runs. One of my drivers was the manager over the runs and assigning drivers. So sometimes when you have your own business and people, a lot of people are entrepreneurs now, but trying to do it by yourself, sometimes you have to realize and recognize and accept when you need a team and be willing to pay for that freedom or that to be more effective, you know. And so for me to be more effective, because it was hard for me to be present on the phone calls during the day when my mind is over here Rap-A-Lot where I see a problem that possibly needs to be fixed, right? So I did have someone answering the phones, and then I had a guy who was helping me with regulating and assigning the drivers and stuff like that. So, but I didn't take my hands off of it. You know what I mean? Like, I never took my hands off of it, but I did have help.